Struggling with snoring or a stuffy nose at night? You're not alone, and you don't need pills or machines to fix it. This extra-strength nasal strip gently opens your airways while you sleep. It's non-invasive, drug-free, and works for both men and women. Just peel, stick, and breathe instantly. Easier airflow and less snoring. You'll sleep more deeply. Wake up refreshed, and so will your partner. No side effects, no noise, and no more tossing and turning. Grab the 30 or 60 strip pack now while it's on sale. Better sleep starts tonight. Link in description.